Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Halfway Tree and we are giving you an update on this 10th floor building. It's 10 floors of commercial space, but you have two additional floors of parking. That's why the left side of the building has two additional floors than the rest of the building. Now, whoever came up with this idea is brilliant. Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. The malls here in Halfway Tree do extremely well, some of the busiest in Jamaica. And when we said this is the busiest place in Jamaica, 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. Now, Jamaica has a population of 3 million, the Kingston metropolitan area just over 1 million. So that gives you an idea of how busy this place is. Now, real estate in Halfway Tree is extremely hard to come by and very expensive. So to build a 10-floor building here, game changer. This building is going to do, or this development is going to do very well. The first two floors are for retail stores and the other 8 floors are for commercial use. I'm sure not going to have underground parking, but parking might be the only issue for this building, but it's going to do extremely well. It's at the right location. Just to give you another example of how busy Halfway Tree is, there is a Burger King located across from this building. When that Burger King opened years ago, it set a record for selling the most burgers or food for an opening of a Burger King anywhere in the world. That will give you an idea. The largest bus park in Jamaica, the Halfway Tree Transport Center, is literally across the road from this building. Based on what we see, this building should finish, if not in 2026, early 2027. They still have some work left to do because, as you can see, the outside structure has topped out. They've reached the height it's going to be, but there's still a lot of work left to be done to get the building finished. But this is an excellent location for such a building. And if you notice the other structures in Halfway Tree, I think that tallest building you have in Halfway Tree is 4 floors, which is a plaza, or the most probably 5 floors. This one, definitely a game changer. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.